Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. Thank you so much for watching. So today I bring to you a mini bar cart that I created using Dollar Tree items, and I'm so excited for this. I love the way it turned out. This is the way it looks like when it's plain and with nothing on it, but as you can see, you can obviously use it for a mini bar cart. You can display cupcakes on it like you see here. I can see you displaying your makeup, your perfume, maybe some plants and herb garden. I just absolutely love it. So now we're going to get started. These are the things you're going to need from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need these two trellises, fences that you can find in the garden section of your Dollar Tree. They originally come in black, and later you can see that I tell you that I spray painted them. You're going to need two frames, 8x10. I like these with the white edges on them. And you're also going to need some decorative paper. That glitter paper is self-adhesive. I found that at Michael's. You're also going to need these little circle discs that I found at Michael's as well. And as usual, everything is going to be listed down in the description box. You're going to need some bling wrap and some rhinestones, some scissors, your E6000. And I went ahead and I spray painted this with my black spray paint primer. I like doing that first before I apply my Rust-Oleum metallic bright gold spray paint. So I did that, and this is the decorative paper that I chose to use, but you can use whatever paper you like. And once this piece is done, I love the fact that you can go in and replace the paper over and over again, just like you do a regular frame. You're gonna need this part, so do not do away with that. This is gonna be used for more support, and so I placed my paper as you can see there, and I went ahead and put back everything that came in with the frame, just like so. And that's what it looks like. We're gonna need these little pegs. I'm going to insert a picture here. Now we're going to apply these to support our frames. You want to use the side of this fence of the trellis that has like a little lip edge that sticks out. This is where you're going to rest the little wooden dowel or the wooden peg, and that's what we're going to place. This way your frame has something to rest on. So really look closely as I show you that edge on this video. It's only on one side of the trellis and not the other. You want to use the side where that wire sticks out, so you can, again, like I said, place your wooden piece just like we're doing here. So we're going to place two on top, and then we're going to skip the middle metal piece, and then we're going to move on to the bottom, and you'll see that there. So here you see I'm applying it in the bottom, and I skipped that middle section. And again, you want to stick that little dowel, wooden dowel, right at the edge of that little metal piece. And so now we're going to go do the same for the other one. So now I'm on the opposite side of where I stuck that dowel, or that I glued that dowel, and I'm applying extra glue for more support. So you want to apply a lot of glue. Just, you know, it gets a little messy, but just try to do it as neatly as you can, as you can see there. And there you have it. So now we're going to start applying our frames. Now in your case, you can use the E6000, and you can follow with the hot glue, and then you can go ahead and glue it on there and apply some tape on both sides for support, and you can let it dry overnight. You can put some books on either side to hold it while it dries overnight, In my case, you want to find your center of you want to place the frame on the center of the fence there, and then you want to start gluing. In my case, I only used the Gorilla glue sticks, and honestly guys, I feel like it glued on pretty well. I personally did not use E6000, but you can for more, just to make sure that it's on like really good. But again guys, this mini bar cart is more for display purposes. It's not meant for you to put anything extremely heavy on it. At the end of the video I show you examples of what I put on it. That's kind of like the idea. You don't want to put more than that, you know, something light. And it's more for display purpose. Like I said, you can use this at a baby shower, at a bridal shower, you know, a wedding event. Just, I mean, I can see that in, like, if you have a beauty room, like I said before, I can imagine, you know, putting your makeup on there, your perfume bottles, and even like I said before, you know, mini plants and that sort of thing. So here you can see my hot glue gun is really hot. I did burn myself a few times, so guys, really be careful. But again, I'm applying extra glue for more support in the bottom and there. And there you go. Now I'll be honest with you guys, when I was done with the piece, it was not sturdy. It was wobbling on the sides. So my husband came out with a good idea. We took some wire hangers that we had lying around the house, you know, the ones that you get at the dry cleaners, and with some wire cutters and pliers, he cut the widest part of the hangers, and then he placed it in the back there like you see here, crisscross, and that solved the problem, and the cart was not wobbly at all. So now we're going to go ahead and create our little wheels. And I made 4 of them because I only applied the wheels to the back of the mini cart. And again, you see here, I'm using this self-adhesive glitter paper, foam glitter paper, and I'm cutting all around. And then I went ahead and I applied some bling wrap all around the edge there. And so as you can see here, I applied my rhinestones to make it look like a wheel. And I did this for all 4 of them, but just on one side of the wheels. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did that. Cut the excess off, and then we're going to go apply our little gemstones in the center. So now we're going to apply our wheels. Like I said, I just applied mine to the back of my mini cart. So there you can see kind of like the glue and the imperfections, and I really wanted to hide that, so I decided to go ahead and apply some bling wrap around on the sides of my mini bar cart and in the front. I didn't do it in the back, but I did it on the sides and in the front, and I will show you that in a minute. And there you have it in the front. I did apply a little less because I wanted the edge of the frame to peek through the gold. But on the sides, as you can see, I did cover all of it there. And in the back, in the where we put the hanger piece, I did apply some gems just to give it a little extra touch. Yeah, I just love the way this turned out. And like I said, you can use this for any occasion. As you can see here, I just have some chocolates and cupcakes. Yeah, and I really love the way it turned out. I did apply some crystals. I didn't have enough to go all around the card. I wish I would have. As you can see in the back, I didn't have enough to apply the little crystals, but I definitely would have done that had I had enough. And so here I have my little bar set up. Yes, my little martini. I really like that. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you recreate it for a party, wedding, baby shower, bridal shower, whatever it is. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you like this video and you want to see more. Subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.